Dear friends, Hare Krishna. This is Dr. Vijaykumar Gawali. This video is about post-graduation in clinical research. The eligibility is BSc, MSc, BPharm, MPharm, medicals and paramedicals. So in COVID-19, this pandemic, all of you must have taken the vaccine. So the process of that development of vaccine is called clinical trials or clinical research. So now you must have understood the importance, intricacies and the cruciality of this particular industry in our society. In 1 year clinical research course which is offered by Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute at Mira Road, Thane, would cover all the 8 modules required. With these 8 modules, students would be equipped to understand how to deal with all the stakeholders in clinical research. In clinical research, we have one of the main important stakeholder is pharma companies, where the medication gets manufactured. Then the medications need to be experimented on human beings. That's the important aspect of the industry that happens at the hospital level. Now, to ensure that the experiments of the clinical trials in the hospital are in order and as per the government rules and regulations, they need a team of experts. And that kind of industry is called contract research organization. So this industry connects the pharma companies who are manufacturing the medications and the hospitals which are doing the clinical trial experiments. Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institutes offer this 1 year unique course which is a blend of theory and internship program. In 1 year, first 2 months we will train you about the various rules, regulations and the procedures required. So you are equipped to enter into the clinical trial world or clinical research world. Once that is done, the next 2 months is going to be very interesting and passionate. You would be directly getting involved in international drug live clinical trials with us, obviously under the supervision of our doctors. Next 8 months, since you are being trained sufficiently, you will be given an opportunity to conduct international live clinical trials independently. So with this, you will have a confidence on how to deal with the patients, how to deal with pharma companies, how to deal with the contract research organizations, how to face audits, monitorings, deal with government authorities. So in nutshell, this 1 year course will equip you sufficiently to undertake any kind of clinical research of it could be medicine, vaccine and all kind of things. At the end of a year, you would get 3 kind of certification. One is post-graduation in clinical research, another is your mark sheet which is 900 marks for the entire 1 year course, and third is your internship certificate. In this is how this course differentiates from the other organizations. We are seeing that many students are doing this course, however they are finding it difficult to get the job, or if once they get the job also they are finding it difficult to actually implement what is required. And the reason is that in other organizations mostly what you can learn is only theory, but at Bhaktivedanta Hospital we have doctors, we have the lab, we have the medicines which need to be experimented, the committees which are registered with Government of India are accredited. Our hospital is also accredited with NABH, is accredited with US FDA to undertake international drug trials, is also accredited with the Health Ministry, Government of India. So with all the required regulatory permissions available, this 1 year program would equip you sufficiently to be called as a true clinical research professional. This course is starting in July this year. We have intake of 10 students, and the process is very simple. You have to undergo aptitude test and then the interview process with us, and then the further admission process. You may contact below mentioned numbers for more details. Thank you.